Good morning, my name's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I might have that link somewhere if you want to join, and you know, all that good stuff. But like I said in my yesterday's video, I wasn't really sure about direction, right? Overall, I'm still bearish because the monthly trigger, right? The monthly trigger has never been wrong. There's no reason for me to be bullish right now. The monthly trigger has been active, and it has been active ever since June, right? And again, prior to this, it gave one false alert here back in August, and then it shot up, right? But prior to that, it gave the drops here, boom, drop, big old drop. Same thing here, gave the alert here, right? Went from 11K down to 4K, and then same thing somewhere up here, but it went from like a 20K range all the way down to 3K, right? So definitely think that we're going lower. But again, I've already talked about like my higher targets in my more previous videos again. But I do think we are starting to head a little bit lower. In 4 hours, we actually have the 16-hour close. And if you guys actually saw my prior video, I did say that the 16-hour is going to be a really, it's going to be very impactful on Bitcoin's price over the next possibly couple of days. Last time it actually closed at 16-hour, we actually dropped from 70K all the way to 49K, hitting my first bearish BTC target. As of right now, if I had to guess on where my next target's going to be, right, I would say first target is more than likely going to be 57,147, which is my first initial target that broke up. My next target would be 56,272 for a possible push, right? And then I would say, do we have any daily targets? I would say, yeah, no, it's going to be that same-ish, like 57, between 57.1 and 57.7, that's probably going to be my big target. And if it does break, right, like I said yesterday, I think your full target's going to be down at like 46K. So it's going to break lows, and I personally think the next target is going to be 46K. On the monthly, I think I already have on the monthly my target, so not there, not there, right here, there we go. So my first target already hit, right? My first target of 49,603 already hit, right? That was my first target for August. My second target, my max target for the August low would be $37,002.94 for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does drop, I do think that we can hit 37K. That's my ultimate target for August. Like for August, if we do drop, right, like very, very hard, I do think we bottom out at 37K. This doesn't mean we can't go lower. This just means that for the month of August, I think that our absolute bottom would be 37K and we don't go under that. As of right now, I do think that we could definitely go. I think for me, I don't think we'll hit 37K. I do think that if we break lows, we can probably range, or like the new low would be like 46K to like a 42K. That's what I'm thinking right now. But again, the major trigger is going to be that 16-hour, because you haven't broken my daily target, right? We hit daily target, 4 days ago on Wednesday. So you actually hit my daily target on Wednesday, right? Which is this green line here. And I had two targets, right? I had this 57,120 target, and then it broke, and it went right up to 62,354, right? 369, and it rejected, right? And it hasn't broken my daily target, right? So it hit both my bullish targets, and now my bear targets would be around like 57.8, and then my second bearish target as of right now would be 56,256, right? And then I don't have any more bear targets. I think at most, if this 56,285 breaks, I do think we're headed lower to that 46K area. But again, this is just a fair warning because the 16 hours is about to close in 4 hours or so. If it does close, I do think minimum you're probably headed back to like a 57, 56K. And then at most, if this 5622 whatever breaks, right? If you break this low right here, I think you're actually headed to like a 46K on Bitcoin. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.